If you want to add an event to calendar on Xiaomi 17, first of all, we need to open the calendar. Now, if we go to the app drawer, we can actually find two calendar apps. So this one over here is made by Google. And in this case, once we allow notifications, there we go. Then we should be able to create an event by using this plus button in the bottom right corner, and then we can choose event. Over here, we can set up the title. We can, of course, make some further adjustments. You can choose when the event starts and when it ends. You can also set up the time when it begins and when it ends. We can also make the event to last a whole day, and we can choose the time zone. We can decide if the event is repeatable or not. And for example, we can manage notifications as well, so you can decide when you want to be notified about the upcoming event in advance. We can add the location and so on and so forth, description, attachments, and more. Once you set up everything, then of course we can tap on save here in the upper right corner, and there we go. And that is pretty much all. Now, in the case of this calendar app, this one is made by Xiaomi, and it looks quite similar. In this case, if you want to create an event, we can use this plus that we have here in the upper right corner. The rest is pretty much the same, although I feel like here we have a little bit less options, but still all the important stuff is available. So for example, we can choose when the event begins, when it ends, whether it should last the whole day, whether it is repeatable or not. We have the alarm reminders and so on and so forth. We have guest description and so on. And of course, we can tap on this check in the upper right corner in order to save our changes and create the event. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.